Hello everyone, I hope you people are doing well. So guys, this is a new speaking video, Manpreet Puri here. So you can check it out. Moreover guys, I just uploaded all the things related to speaking, listening, writing and reading. So you can look at that also. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Language Learning by Manu. So have a nice day. So let's start. What is your name?
My name is Sonal Satwani.
Okay, Sonal, can you tell me something about you?
I am, as I told you, I am Sonal Satwani. Currently, I am in my final year. Right now, I am doing Bachelor's in Business Administration from Adelic Institute of Management, and along with that, I have also done 2-3 certifications in digital marketing, Tally Prime, and yes.
Okay, you can say I had done. Okay, I had done these things. Okay, otherwise, you can, if the person is asking, tell me about you, and you can say, well, my name is this, I am from this place, and there are 4 to 5 members in my family. I love them a lot. Moreover, in my hobbies, I love to listen music and play anything you can say. Okay, okay, then person will ask, tell me about your hobbies.
So my hobbies are basically to draw or to read, and I love to listen music. I think music is very great activity, and it helps me to calm down. And sometimes I just love to listen it.
Okay. So do you like to listen religious songs or you like Hollywood, Bollywood? What kind of music you like? Pop, rock, and the silent one?
Well, it depends upon my mood. Sometimes I like to listen Bollywood music, and sometimes I like to listen religious music as well. So it completely depends upon my mood, what type of song I am craving for.
Okay. So do you know how to sing also?
No, I am not much into singing, so I just like to listen.
Okay. So do you ever get a chance or do you ever take participation in any kind of singing competition?
No, I've never taken participation in any type of singing competition. But yes, I remember in during my school time there were so many activities going on of singing and all. But I have never got interested so much in singing.
Okay. Take care of have. You miss have everywhere. I have never taken participation. Okay, take care of this thing. Okay, let's talk about flowers. Do you like flowers?
Yes, I love flowers and I always buy myself a flower, sometimes rose, sometimes sunflower.
Do you like to gift flowers to your friends?
Yes, I do love to gift flowers to my friends on their birthday, or sometimes I just gift them to make them smile.
When was the last time you had done this?
Last week, I met my friend who came from USA, so I met her and I gifted her a flower. So she was very happy.
Okay. Do you think in this activity we can also impress or we can show our love towards other?
Yes, I think so that flowers symbolizes somewhere love, and if we are gifting it, so other person can think that we mean for them.
Okay. So now it's your cue card. Hmm.
Yes.
Tell me about a time when you had planned something and plan did not work according to you. Okay, so clues can be like this: what was the plan and what had you planned and for whom you have planned and why everything went in van. So your 1 minute starts now. Okay, start.
I think everyone make plan as they are doing something. So I remember I also made plan somewhere around 5-6 months ago, which was a trip So we were a group of 5, 6 friends who made a plan of going to Manali. So we made it, and one of my friend was coming from Canada. So we planned that we will go together on the trip. But then he came, but one of our friend was not able to come in that plan, and we were in very sad mood. We created all itinerary that we will do this, we will visit these places, and we will do activities like Manali is very famous for paragliding. So we were very excited for the trip, but at the end moment all the things happened. The something like that, we didn't went to the trip, and my friend cancelled it at end moment. So our money also got wasted, that we even can't take a refund from the traveler through which we booked our itinerary. So that was the plan, which I think was not meant for us. Sometimes things happen, sometimes things happen to us randomly, and we cannot do anything for that. But yes, I think it happened because there was some good reason behind that. So we just forget that moment, and we enjoyed in the place where we live in Indore. So we just went on weekends. We just go on nearby trips also. This was the that happened with me.
Okay, done. 2 minutes are up. It is good, but try to always speak continuously. Try to speed up it. How much will be your speed? You will get those much band score. Okay, your speed matters. That how much you are fluent, you will get more. Because whenever person is going to take your speaking, he or she look at your speed. So don't stop anywhere, don't think anywhere, like speak continuously without thinking anything, that what are you thinking, what is not going on. We know everything, that is something we just when we plan and something not goes according to that, then we get upset, we also get arguments go with those things also. Naturally that arguments happen, and I just got so many calls, I just put my phone on airplane mode, and I just stopped thinking about those people, they are foolish, blah blah. You can add anything. It means you add it must be natural, and it must be with, I can say, a lot of speed.
Okay.
Okay, now abstract questions related to it. Why youngsters nowadays don't like to plan?
Youngsters are now not much into planning because I think they believe that random plans work more effectively. And if we plan from so long and if it doesn't happen, then we get upset. So I think this is the main reason.
Do you ever plan your things?
Yes, I was a person who plans everything.
I
I
am
want a
a person. I am a person.
I am a person who plans everything. I want everything to be perfect. I wish to have perfect itinerary, all the places or whatever. I just plan and then work according to that.
Do you take advice from anybody before planning?
Yes, I take advice from my parents and sometimes my friends, and I use mostly Google to things.
Do you think planning is needed, especially in terms of examination?
What?
Do you think planning is needed at the time of examination?
Yes, planning is much needed while we are preparing for our exams. We need to have a complete schedule of how we are going to finish this or that. If we have a complete list, so we can prepare easily.
Okay, what is the importance of planning according to you?
Planning is important because it helps to give us a map of how we are going to move ahead and what are our next steps that we have to follow. So we just can simply cannot create a chaos in our mind, and we have a clear way to move ahead.
Okay, so do you think in the old time people usually plan?
Uh, I think yes, people do old time, and as because people were more sophisticated related to things that we have to do this thing like that in a proper way. And nowadays, I think people are not planning more because they just create random plans or something like that.
Do you think to teach the importance of planning, there should be some kind of classes in schools and in colleges to introduce?
I do not think so that it is very much important to have classes on planning because everyone is of their own nature. If someone likes to plan, so she can plan easily, and if someone is not interested in that, then we cannot do anything.
Okay, so now it is done. Try to add some words also. Like I just sent you some words also. You didn't add yesterday or today also. Try to add something new. Okay, that I am looking for. Then I will send you more. Like
Okay.
what is the synonym of importance? You can add that one also. Importance, necessity. These are the common words by which we can impress somebody by looking at synonyms. Okay, go with these ones. So this is the end of Speaking of a Girl, and I hope you people like it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to Language Learning by Manu. So let's wait for another video. Take care. Bye bye.